To give you real examples for the companies we have with in the past, let me give you examples. One of the SaaS company, we saved 47,000 annually through automation and cloud optimization. There's another e-commerce business, we reduced their cost by reporting their time from 8 hours to 20 minutes. So that actually totally changed their mindset around their business. There's another company, a professional services firm, discovered their CRM, email and billing system were completely disconnected. We save over 200 hours per month with the automation. If we do not identify clear opportunity to improve efficiency or reduce cost, we continue working with you until we do. No additional charge. That's our guarantee. If you want to do your business audit, if you are AI ready or not, click the link below to join this AI audit and get your report. We are here to help.